How to fix memory management blue screen error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Such type of a screen will appear on your screen, blue screen memory management. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is go to Windows search, type memory diagnostic. Windows memory diagnostic, click open and check your computer for memory problems. Restart now and check for problems recommended. Click on this option. It will resolve your memory related issue. The next workaround is go to Windows settings, Windows update and check for updates. If any updates available, download and install Windows latest updates to fix this issue. Also go to advanced option on same page and here choose optional updates, and if any optional updates available, download and install also Windows optional update to fix these issues and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes and then go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode and check for any corrupted file system in your Windows system. Run the tool SFC scan now and press enter and let the window complete the scanning procedure. It will check for any corrupted files in your systems. Now reset your Windows 11 or Windows 10 system. Go to Windows settings, go to recovery, reset this PC, click on this and here choose keep my files and follow on screen instruction to reset Windows 11 PC to fix this issue.